G'day. Now, sure, you could skip to the end of the video and find out what's inside, but stick with me. Let's watch this video together and just see how the journey pans out. So, here we are on the bandsaw making that bowl round. It's just a piece of poplar. Nice wood to turn actually. It's not too hard, not too soft, and it peels off great with the bowl gouges. So using the 5/8 bowl gouge first to rough it out. Normally I use the Hercules cut carbide, but you know, bowl gouges in some cases are just a pure pleasure. When you've got a piece of wood like this poplar, it's great. So the outside of the bowl, as you see, is going in with the Indian ink. I like the ebonizing look, and it came up pretty well, shining good with the polyurethane finish. Made about 5 coats there. Turn the bowl around in the chuck. Off comes the faceplate. Yep, guys, sharp tools, regardless of the timber you're turning, this is a mandatory thing. Pro Tools sharpening jig, and keep the 5/8 and 3/8 bowl gouges pretty sharp and handy on the job. So hollowing out the bowl. It's getting closer to see what's inside. Generally, I take the gradients down with the bowl gouge, and then use a couple of finishing cuts at the end. I use a 55-degree bowl gouge with the heels taken off. In this case, because the bowl was pretty shallow, I think I stuck with the Ellsworth grind on this one. Here's the inside. Yep, it's not the every way to go as far as bowl in size, but the grain was pretty normal or average. So it's gold gilt that I put on the inside of that bowl. Stick around to the end of this video because you'll see just how well it came out. Well, in my opinion, anyway. Comments, please, if some feedback. I just love it. So, video's coming towards the end. The badge on the back, and yeah, some still photos at the end. If you like it, please hit the like button. Cheers, guys.